Tatakita ka mga ulang ito.
No. Thank you.
Lumahala ka naman, joke lang.
220 beef brisket.
Okay lang.
There was music.
Parang lahat ka naman.
Ang hina! On display lang yan. Pero hindi.
Wow. Memorize. No more fish?
Yun ang
Fish!
lakas niyan.
Fish?
Kahit isa lang fish.
Bangus,
Pero
medium.
maganda sana kung malaki ang bao. Ano?
Bangus. Yung hati
Napag-orin
sa
ako
gitna.
sa inyo, no?
Oo, pwede yun.
Sige.
Bangus, medium, 145. Medilis pa tayo.
Bulinik lang.
145.
Ala kasi ha!
Chicken, adobo hot.
Adobo ka. 176.
Adobo hot, 176. Aray! Flour, 55. Gusto ko yung memorize mo na.
Chicken.
All-purpose cream, 78. Ikaw na kaya?
Try lang. Mongo 50. Kung may mongo pa.
Evap milk.
63. 64. 48.
0.75.
Ba't parang ang lito mo?
48.75. Condensed milk.
58.
Tamo, ang late ng mata mo. Ako ang laki ng mata ko.
Magkano?
58.50.
Magkaiba tayo naman.
Tomato sauce.
Wait.
It's like your eyes should
100.
be my eyes. My eyes should be your eyes.
Whole kernel.
May itsura ko.
No,
Hindi ko
no.
alam.
Siguro
63 ba yan?
kamukha kita.
Whole kernel.
Collector.
Ay, tomato sauce.
3.
100 tomato sauce. Whole kernel corn.
63.
64.50.
Kilo lang ako. 64 pa.
50? 64.50.
How come we can't go outside?
I don't know.
Imagine if one of the
Sotanghon,
evictions was
yes.
crazy.
Meron pa ba?
Like it was legitly
Wala
crazy.
na.
Like,
you can.
like people just walked in with masks, grabbed the evictee, and ran outside.
Ay,
Ooh, what's going on? Evictee.
Grabe to si Kuya. Magang regular.
Sobrang
Takot ako.
pagpasok namin, parang,
I'm not sure.
ano ba to? Baka doon kami alis na
63.75.
Parang sasamahan ba kami ng HOH?
Ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Sotanghon.
What a totem pole.
Ilan hot
Sotanghon, 68.50.
We need a third piece. Monk.
Tuna in can. 38.
Patay ko kay Tintuno.
So, S-O. S-O.
Sarang.
Tapos one word.
Sotang.
How do you spell it?
S-O-T-A.
Sotang. Tapos
Masusukat
con.
talaga.
H-O-N.
Sotang Han. As in Han.
Ay, hindi marunong.
H-O-N. S-O-T-A-N-G-H-O-N. Yep.
Dyslexic, okay?
Just imagine something sa bibig mo na sobrang.
3. Magkano yan? 68.
68.50.
And then mom,
Monggo.
and then I'm gonna throw up, and then mom was gonna throw up, and then
Everybody,
gonna throw up.
paano guys?
Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun?
Oatmeal.
200. Quick cookie.
Kaya yun?
Quick cook.
Kaya yun?
Oats.
Kaya yun?
200.
Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun?
Fruit cocktail. Ha?
Dalawang price. 180. Tsaka. Ay, magkano? Fiesta. Tsaka.
Parehong tropical o fiesta. Fiesta.
130.
Chiboy!
Fruit cocktail. Diba? Diba?
Ay, bawal yan.
Pinoy ako! Pinoy!
Patuloy. Bawal yan, bawal yan. Joke lang.
Joke lang!
130.
Fruit cocktail fiesta.
Magkano yan?
Fiesta, 135.
Kulang mo naman ako ng 5 pesos!
135.
What's the other one?
Tuna flakes. Tropical yung isa, pero that one's...
Just like.
I don't know. No.
Just one?
Just one fiesta. Ano yun? Tuna. Tuna flakes and oil.
38.
Sorry.
Bye, guys.
38.
Something I had
I have
mentioned
a feeling
earlier.
I'm going.
Me. I
Ano
have
masarap
feeling.
na
I have a feeling.
for you guys?
You know how minsan for
daddy.
addictions,
Afritada or...
you kind of have a feeling like, okay, I feel like this person will go. Stuff like
Sarap
that.
ka ng apritada.
Dati. Pero ngayon, it's I can't even guess.
It's weird.
It's me.
I feel it's you.
Ano gusto mo? Ano ba favorite ng daddy?
I don't know.
Italian. Ano mag-Italian tayo? Elbow mac.
Let's go na. I'm so scared.
Diba?
Tapos.
Kung gusto mo mag-pesto,
Fettuccine.
carry yan.
Pero 150 later.
Walang pesto, ano?
Alam ko na.
Grabe ka,
For the vegetables.
Feeling ko.
daming kulang na
Feeling
ingredient.
ko si
Oo, mahal
Kevin na.
masyado yun.
Feeling
Elbow
Olive
mac.
oil pa.
Elbow mac 130.
Cheese bar,
Feeling ko.
130 din.
Straight.
Cheese
Yeah,
bar.
it could be anyone. I don't know.
Tsaka butter light, 70.
Feeling ko si
How much is
Kevin.
cheese bar?
130.
Bakit?
What's it? 130? Tama?
Grabe kayo!
Nakita kami ng
Ganyan ha! Ganyan!
Butter.
5 times nagbibihis.
70.
Nahuli.
Tapos,
Cigarettes.
ay, wait lang. Breading,
massage,
breading mix meron pa.
Wala na.
Sige na.
Wala na. Go buy na.
Breading mix 52.50.
Pero yung cubes, meron pa tayo. Don't worry about the cubes.
Chicken and beef.
Huwag na, okay na, meron pa.
Sure.
Yep.
Enough yun?
Yep.
Yeah, we have like whole bags pa.
Mabango. Kailan ba ako mabaho?
Wait, may oyster sauce tayo. We can make
52.50.
Tinatry niya. Sinusubukan niya.
Walang pork? Hindi ka mag-order ng pork chops?
Oo nga.
Kanina, di ba, mata ko.